We hear the word spirituality thrown about a lot, and it has a lot of different meanings for different people. Why would you say it's important for somebody to become spiritual?
To be spiritual is indeed a bit of an obscure concept. A lot of people consider spirituality to be religion. But it's not necessarily the case. The word spirituality comes from the word spirit. The idea behind it is very simple. And that is that every human being has a spirit in them. A soul, you might say. Therefore, to become more spiritual actually means that you become less materialistic, less belonging to the world of matter, and more gravitating towards the world of your own soul, to your own true identity, your own true self. It might seem like some philosophical concept. Some people in philosophy will just say that it's no more than, an intellectual debate and no more. It doesn't have much to do with real life. But the yogis would beg to differ. And they would say that the truth is that understanding our true nature, not just intellectually, but existentially becoming one with your true self, is the real reason why we are born. That's the purpose of our life. And it's not just some intellectual satisfaction. Because many people would say that indeed I understand intellectually, that I have a spirit inside of me, I should be one with it, makes sense, and then I just continue in my daily life as usual, realizing that I got the point. The point is clear. But that's not how it works. The yogis say that when you truly have this state of self-realization, when the spirituality is accomplished, the day-to-day life is not the same anymore. Everything we experience, every moment, every second, every taste, everything we do, our interaction with people is becoming completely different. And that's why it actually is the most important thing we can do, is to truly understand our spirituality, become spiritual, and become one with our true self. And from that perspective, it's like a completely different vantage point of looking at everything that we experience in our daily life. And then suddenly love becomes real love. And then suddenly pleasure becomes real pleasure. Then suddenly compassion takes a whole different meaning. And everything that we want to experience, all the problems that we have in life between countries and people, and aggression and hate and strife, and everything we go through simply changes. And that is why spirituality is so important. It's not just some intellectual concept. It's not just, barren philosophy. It is a shift in consciousness that makes life worth living. And that's why spirituality is so important.